sponsored presentation is rated PG-13 for the following: violence, gore, and awesomeness.
Viewer discretion is advised.
What's up, Joe? Who's going to go first? Narrator, Haley. Hi. She's gonna have to. We got Keely! What? This is Becca. I don't need to explain more. Your dark hoodie, black hoodie, and a Simpson.
What do you think the weekend will be like?
I don't know. I hope it's gonna be fun.
Going camping. Woo! How do you think this experience is going to be?
Wait. What?
We're going camping. How does that make you feel? Why?
Now that you mention it, you got me with your friend. Yeah, seriously, I have to do with this. You're mean. Nobody ever said I was nice. I did. What are you horrible?
Wait, if she's nice, then why did you just say I have to deal with her? This is the longest car trip I've ever been in my life.
Yeah, that was. You sure are retarded. Seriously? Shut up. You shut up. You shut up. Nobody come back here. I'll tell you about that. Man. I'm driving here. I could be home. You come back music. You all drag me out here. Really? You all drag me out here just to go camping. Yeah. Home listening music. I hate camping. Wait, listen to music right now. Seriously? I think we're here.
And we're here. Woo! Our destination. What do you think the weekend will be like?
I don't know. I hope it's gonna be fun. Come on, get out! I have something. You got it?
What?
I think it's gonna be a jolly good time.
That's the spirit, Keely.
Get out! Why don't you get out? You wanted something in the first place. I wish you wouldn't get that on. What if you with you in the camera?
I think it's fun. I don't know. Camera's my life. See you soon.
Alright. If you say
Superstar.
and have no fear, the camera's here. Oh my God!
Whoa, Kim, don't trip.
I'm not here. Why you be tripping, man?
Walking through the woods.
You gonna what? Narrate this whole camping trip?
Maybe. Does that matter to you?
Videos when I go to the bathroom.
I won't be that detailed.
Narration.
Yeah.
Narration. Oh my God. And then, as we arrive at the deep, dark, decrepit woods, we tried to figure out a way.
I believe we are.
You're making us want to. Hey! I don't remember this last time.
Fun, sugar daddy, take the seabird away. No, Joe. You know what, Joe? Nobody told you you had to come. Bad things happen to me and people, Joe.
Okay.
You know what, Joe? I hope some evil bear comes and eats you in the night. Well, you know what? I care. Oh my gosh! Look at the lake! What?
Whoa! There's no governor.
Ew. We made it to the lake. I think it's beautiful, but Joe, we gotta go set up camp before we swim. Ooh, the beach.
Okay.
This is the beach? Yeah, this is the beach.
Ew. I'll go swimming. Go up the hill.
I'm not gonna make it. Woo! Woo! Hi guys! What's up, Joe?
Let's go swimming.
Swimming?
Push you win.
Oh, I hurt my toe. Oh, I really hurt my toe. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't drop it.
I got it!
Introduce yourself, Cam. Not good. I'm good.
So wet. Oh my god, walking down the hill with my friend.
Are you tired, Julie? What? Ground so red. You, Jill. So? Alright. It's a little hot out here. Just keep following the narrator. Haley.
Hi.
She's gonna have. Guess we said the normal one. Yeah. We got Julie. What? Beauty queen. Don't drown yourself. We need you.
That's my job.
This is Becca. I don't need to explain more. That's quiet. Joe. This is okay. Well, this one right there is Joe. Yeah. And back there, the dark hoodie, black hoodie on a sunny bright day. It's, Haley, watch out. That's Matt. And this is me. Woo! I'm having a great time. What? What? Hey, you know what?
Make clapping sounds at my best friend.
Thank you, Haley. Who's gonna get China? Oh, look at the pretty girl. Ah, check it out, jump it!
You could ever imagine.
Hey!
Let's put you in. No!
I second that one.
I started it. Oh, shit. What? Oh.
Hey, Joe, where are you going? Hey, just wipe a chip! Hey, you guys, Joe lost his glasses.
His real one?
His real glasses.
I'm good at finding stuff. Let's hope I don't step on.
Hey, don't! You're gonna step on him! We gotta find Joe's glasses! Yes? I'm still recording. Alright. Well, we'll get back to you when you... Yeah. When else did we record, Haley? When we get in the woods? When we get past this, after we find Joe's glasses. What are you screaming about? Come on! What is it?
This video stuff.
This would be funny to put on YouTube, you know? Find a spot. Are you kidding me? We can make